And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with you and we throw it. I don't want that no for real. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. I ain't no little bad, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real.
What's up, Ray Babe? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back, y'all. So this is y'all, I don't know what's going on with my voice, but y'all, this is a weekly vlog. This is a maintenance vlog and a weekly vlog, y'all. I just put up to Burlington because I need to get some cleaning wipes if they have some here, and some extra little stocking stuffers. I need to see if they have like some wrapping paper. All right, babe, so y'all, I left Burlington because y'all, the line was way too long. But y'all, I'm at Dollar Tree and they got everything in this store. Alright, y'all, so I need to get some air fresheners. My favorite scent is Black Ice. So alright, y'all, so I don't see the wipes that I usually get, so I'm guessing I'm probably gonna have to go to a different Dollar Tree unless they're in a different place, which could be possible. Y'all, I'm about to get me one of these. I'm so happy they have these because I've been wanting like a cinnamon one. So I'm about to smell these, y'all. Crazy in love.
High volume, high volume.
Mad at my nigga. Mad at the fact he ain't with you.
I'm filming from the back camera right now. But y'all, I ended up cleaning my car out. Let me show y'all. Y'all, the mats are still dirty because I didn't power wash them, but y'all, the interior is clean. There's no junk back here. Y'all, gotta get my seats detailed. But yeah, y'all, and then this is just stuff I need to bring in the house, and then those are the snacks. Those are just the snacks that I bought from Dollar Tree, y'all. But y'all, look at my steering wheel, y'all. It took a fight and a struggle to get this on, but I got it on. I'm actually very proud of myself because if you know, you know, these are very hard to get on, y'all, but it's cute. I can't wait to get my nails done and take me a little picture, but I definitely want to get the black one, or maybe the one I had before. I feel like the pink doesn't really match like everything. I feel like I need a black fluffy one that they have on my job, y'all. So, and y'all, I also unboxed one of these, so my car smelled good. And then I put a new vent air freshener in my car, y'all. So yeah, y'all, that's my update. All right, babe, so y'all, it's the next day after y'all seen me clean my car, and y'all, I decided to get the black fluffy one. I think I told y'all about it, but I've been wanting it so bad, and I decided to get it because y'all, this one is super cute. It just doesn't like match my car. Like, it doesn't, like, it's like my car is black, beige, and then this is just a random pop of pink. When this one would look like this, like, it just sets the tone and matches it way better, y'all. See? So yeah, y'all, but I am going to keep the pink one on for a little bit, at least until like I get my nails done, so I can take me like a cute little picture with my nails and the pink steering wheel. But after that, I'm gonna put the black one on, y'all. And then I also got this Black Ice spray because, y'all, this is my favorite scent. I opened up the one that I bought yesterday, but y'all, I got this spray because I ran out. But yeah, y'all, I got me another Black Ice spray because this is the best scent ever. Shout out to my sister for putting me on this when I was younger. And then, y'all, I just got me some windshield wiper fluid because my car is low, and this is definitely essential. So yeah, y'all, it's my little update.
Mad at the fact that it's me. This shit bigger than me, you alone. So why you good enough? But the shade room and instant. Bitch still be looking for attention. Trust me, you can get it.
Alright, babe. So y'all, new day, new vlog. The last time y'all saw me, I was showing y'all my new steering wheel cover. So I still got the pink one on though, but it's low-key cute because it matches me today. But y'all, right now I'm on my way to my lash appointment. Y'all, I'm so excited. I haven't had my lashes done in probably like 3 months or like 2.5, maybe even 1.5. I don't know. But yeah, y'all, I'm very excited. Like I said, this is a maintenance vlog. So after I get my lashes done, I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done. I want to get my nails done today. Just want to feel good and treat myself. You know what I'm saying, y'all? Yeah, but I'm low-key running late. I was supposed to be there at 12:45. It's probably like 12:48 or 7. Then I'm like 8 or 7 minutes away, y'all. So yeah, y'all, that's my little update. Fuck, I don't have nothing for my lips. Fuck.
Pull up whenever. You know I'm with it. Don't get it twisted. Nothing like none of these bitches. But sometimes I get in my feelings. Sometimes I know I be.
Alright, babe, so y'all, my lashes are done. I don't know, y'all, I'm low-key, but yeah, y'all, so I got my lashes done. I don't know, like, they're just really big and like dark, and I do like them, like they look good. It's just I don't think this is really my style anymore, like, so I don't know, y'all. But I also haven't had lashes in a long time, so, but they just look too like dark and big. Not gonna lie, y'all. But I'm about to go get my eyebrows done, and I feel like maybe once I get my eyebrows done, it'll help kind of balance everything out. And then I get my hair done tomorrow, so it'll kind of make more sense with these lashes, because obviously like my face is really light and then the lashes are just dark. So but yeah, y'all, I don't know, I'm gonna have to see. But yeah, y'all, that's the update. All right, y'all, so y'all, it's like hours later. Y'all, got my eyebrows done and they look so good. I filled them in or whatever, but yeah, so right now we're at Chili's. We just got our triple dipper, y'all. So this is what it looks like. I thought it came with 3 sliders.
It's 2.
Yeah, I love me a triple dipper. My favorite is the egg roll and the sides. I wish there was more hot honey sauce, because I like dipping my slider in it.
Right there.
Yeah, but when I get the tenders, they usually so good.
Right here.
Oh. Yeah, but when I get the tenders, they usually so good. Alright, y'all, so we just got our food. I'm about to show y'all. Y'all, so this is my burger. And this is the triple dipper, y'all. I still got something to finish over there. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna grab.
Need you for the old me. Need you for my sanity. Need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity? Remind me when I'm tumbling, spiraling, plummeting down to earth. You keep me down to earth. Call me on my bullshit. Out of me and save my
Alright, babe, so y'all, it's the next day. I can't believe I got these lashes on. Like, I feel so weird. But y'all, it's the next day. I'm about to go home, y'all. It's 9:40 something, and I'm about to go home and wash and blow dry my hair, y'all. And then y'all, so yeah, y'all, I'm about to go home and wash and blow dry my hair, and then my hair appointment's at 12, y'all. So I'm supposed to get home around 10:07, 10:10, y'all. So hopefully I make it in time, y'all. I gotta take a shower, wash my hair, and blow dry my hair. So I need to make to my appointment in time. So yeah, y'all, that's my update. All right, babe, so y'all, I blow dried my hair And I got out the shower, y'all. I'm about to show y'all the little stocking gifts that my man got me for Christmas, y'all. We ended up just exchanging our gifts early, so I'm gonna just show y'all what I got. So y'all, he got me my favorite Christmas chocolate, which is the Ghirardelli peppermint bark, y'all. He got me 2 packs. He got me a mini and then a regular one. He got me the bar, and y'all, this will last me so long because I don't really eat a lot of chocolate and candy. And then he got me Reese's is my other favorite chocolate and candy, so he got me this like or Christmas bunny. Oh, it's a snowman. And then y'all, he got me my other favorite chocolate, which is Ferrero Rocher, and I love Ferrero Rocher, y'all. And then y'all, he got me these Cetaphil skin cleansing wipes, and it comes with 2 packs, y'all. And he got me my favorite face lotion also. It's just the sensitive skin one. He got me my favorite lip gloss brand. He got me this little 3-pack. It comes with the lip plump, a mascara, and a lip balm, y'all, which is so good because I threw out all my mascaras. And I low-key wish I had this earlier because when I wasn't wearing lashes, like, I definitely needed a mascara. And then y'all, he got me another lip gloss from this brand. It's just a bigger one, and this is my favorite lip gloss. And then y'all, he also, I think it's the last stocking stuffer, but he got me some new AirPods, so I'm super happy about these, y'all. I needed some new AirPods so bad. Like, he got me 2 Gia sets, I am Gia sets, and then he got me 2 Lulu sets. We're gonna order the other Lulu sets today, y'all, but yeah, that's my little Christmas haul. So, oh, and then he got me the Glamaholic bags. But y'all, I'm about to get my bag ready for my hair appointment, and then probably the next clip will be me getting my hair done. So yeah, y'all. All right, babe. So y'all, this is the end of the vlog. I didn't record me getting my hair done, y'all, but I think I'm gonna just put all the rest of the footage that was gonna be in this vlog in the next vlog, y'all. So make sure you stay tuned to my next vlog, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, y'all. Comment down below, and also click the link in my description to shop my bundles and my wigs, y'all. But I love you all so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.